Today we're going to talk about infrared sauna and what a great addition it is to any cellular cleanse or detox program. It's a complementary therapy that is going to help eliminate waste from the body. One tip that you probably didn't think about was having a massage before you get into the infrared sauna. So anytime that you have a massage, you're kicking up toxins and they're being released into the body. So the easiest way to get rid of those toxins is to sweat it out. So you'll get maximum benefit from your massage and your infrared sauna treatment if you do that in that succession. The infrared sauna is going to heat the body up to about 145 to 160 degrees. It is able to kill infection, subacute infection in the tissues of your body. So that's usually why you feel so good when you come out of there. So if anybody's been exposed to mold or fungus, parasites, and we all have little microorganisms that are living in our body. I know we don't like to think about it, but we do. So that's a great way to eliminate it, since your skin is one of the elimination waste systems and it is your largest organ of your body. And did you know that one 30-minute sauna session is equal to 30 minutes of a cardio session? So if you're not feeling well enough to go to the gym and you're a little bit sluggish, a little bit tired, you might have a little goopy nose, or you think seasonal allergies, get into an infrared sauna, get sweating, get the blood moving, and get it out of your body.